And the dispersant. Dispersant, they are agents, additives added, as we mentioned last time, to help the ceramic powder disperse well in solvents and stabilize the slurry against flocculation, which is smaller particles coming together to become larger particles. That's called flocculation, or sedimentation. Quite often, the particles, when they come together, they become larger. Their density quite often higher than the solvent. Then they drop to the bottom. So dispersants are added to help prevent or slow down these two things, flocculation or sedimentation. Okay, the mechanism of stabilization, electrostatic. So the agents that we are adding are creating similar charge, the electrical charge, static charge on the particles so that they repulse each other. They do not flocculate. And because they do not flocculate, they can stay longer without sediment to the bottom. Okay, and stirring, which are okay quite often for long chain. Well, polymers molecules, they stay attached to the surface of the particles, and because the molecules they stretch out into the solution, and they are going to have repulsive force between each other, so that the polymer chain repel each other, and they do not. It's kind of a geometric effect. One polymer does not want to bind to another polymer. They want to repel each other just by the geometric. They stretch out. Geometrically, they're going to try to repel each other. Not so much electrostatically, but just by geometric effect. They try to stay away from each other. Stirring, and sometimes we also have combined between electrostatic and stirring. We call it electrosteric, which is a combination effect. We have polymer chains, but some of them are also have electric charge on them. So we have this combined effect. And types of dispersant, we said there are short chain polymers with functional head group, which people call surfactant, like soap. Okay. And low to medium molecular weight polymers can also be used for dispersant, or simple ions or molecules